Hi guys, it's Cindy. I wanted to hop on really quickly and just show you a brief demonstration on how to cover your book cover, your chipboard that you're going to use for your book covers if you have rounded edges. Now there's so many videos out there about doing the square edges, which are pretty easy to do. The rounded edges are a little more tricky to get them to look just really pretty like this. So I wanted to show you how to do that. So basically, all you want to do is you want to cut little mini triangles. Okay, if you can see this, so that the wider edge, the wider side is outside and the thinner edge is on the inside. I hope you can see this. This is exactly how you would do it if you were covering something round with fabric. It's a sewing technique, but it works for paper too. And then you just take these, start with the middle one, and you kind of alternate them and pull them tight and just keep alternating so that it's nice and even where you want it to be, so that your edge looks really nice. And then you just fold your flaps down just like you would on a square edge. And obviously you'd put glue here as you were folding these down. So on this one, I kind of drew it out a little bit for you. So you can see that the smaller edge is up against your cover, your chipboard, or whatever you're using. And I don't cut all the way to the chipboard. That might leave gaps. I usually cut and leave about 1/8 of an inch between my cut and the edge of my chipboard. I like to draw it out first because when I don't, I end up with this. I don't know what I was doing here. I don't know. I can't just free cut this. I have to draw it first. So you might want to do that, especially for your first few. And just cut them. Just take your time with it so that you don't cut too close. And you also don't want your pointy end of your triangle to be teeny tiny. Like, no, that one's kind of a mess. I've been experimenting here, but these were really tiny ones. They were only about that thin. And I found that this, you only need a few. So kind of start, put your first line starting at the corner of your rounded part here, and then draw out from there. I found that to be the easiest. You might find a better way, and if you're a sewer, you already know how to do this. So then I'm just going to put down some glue. My glue is stuck. I need to clean out the tip. I sold all my glue bottle stoppers, so now I don't have one. I need to make one for myself. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. Then I'm going to go with this one. And kind of push it in a little bit if you need to. Move it to the middle, sorry. And then pull this one up. Need to put a little more glue because they're going to be overlapping each other, but they're not going to show, so it's okay. Pull that one up. Okay, and then all I would do from here, I'm not going to do it right now because I'm going to be tearing this off and starting over. And then you just pull it up, and there is a nice rounded covered corner. So there you go, your quick tip of the day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.